Hello and welcome to this Cyber Range update log. In this session, we're walking through a key automation milestone, the setup and first execution of Ansible on our Red Hat lab environment. We begin by remotely accessing our target system using SSH. Once connected, we navigate into our Ansible project directory and list its contents. You'll see two key subdirectories, one for inventories and one for playbooks. Inside the inventory directory, we've defined a simple static host file, targeting localhost with a local connection method. The playbook folder contains a basic YAML file using the Ansible ping module, designed to validate connectivity and ensure that Ansible is running correctly. Now, we run the playbook using the Ansible playbook command, specifying both the inventory file and the playbook path. The command executes cleanly and returns a successful ping, confirming that Ansible is fully operational and ready for more complex automation. In addition to this, I've also practiced configuring logical volume management, or LVM, on a Raspberry Pi. The process included preparing a USB flash drive, initializing it for LVM, creating a volume group, a logical volume, and formatting and mounting it. This section was recorded in full and will now play in the background with a short time lapse, so feel free to watch the workflow unfold visually. To sum it up, we've laid the groundwork for serious automation with Ansible and enhanced our storage management skills with LVM, all within a clean and scalable lab environment. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more updates and keep building.